I need a little sunshine. Oh, it's been a hard year. I had a lot of dark nights, yeah. And we're still waiting on some daylight to reappear. Na 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 na, smoke to clear. Na 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 na, I need a little sunshine.
Perkenalkan, kami dari kelompok 3. Nama saya Muhammad Nik Ramadan. Saya Arya Sapriyadi. Saya Muhammad Najwa Setiawan. Saya Muhammad Suri. Saya Muhammad Abdul Rizky. Saya Muhammad Al-Fariji. Sekian dari kami. Terima kasih. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Dark nights, yeah. And we're still waiting on some daylight to reappear. Na 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 na, smoke to clear. Na 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 na, I need a little sunshine.
You were on fire when I met you, born with a longing for the open road. You had a hunger burning in your heart, enough to tear the world apart. We're like outlaws on the west coast, leaving our footprints in the wet sand. Now our love is more like a remedy, and our world is a forgotten land. 'Cause I can see the fire in your eyes, burning like a hurricane blowing through the falling rain. I feel the rising of the tide. I will let this fire burn through the one day with our troubles far behind us, we will look back at all we've been through. But baby, there's nothing we can run